Chlorine dioxide is considered by many to be the ideal biocide due to its unique set of chemical properties. However, conventional means of generating chlorine dioxide are often complex and inefficient, which can make the use of chlorine dioxide complicated. Activ-Ox, on the other hand, is a patented system which is simpler, safer, and more cost-effective than other means of generating chlorine dioxide. The Activ-Ox concept is made up of two unique components: an advanced, instantly activating chemistry and a simplified dosing system, which can treat from a few litres of water a day to applications of over 5,000 cubic metres a day. Let's consider the chemicals first. This demonstration shows how Activ-Ox's unique chemistry reacts instantly, releasing an almost full yield of 95% chemical conversion to chlorine dioxide. Another important thing to note is that the chlorine dioxide is produced directly in solution ready to use. The instant reaction is integral to the simplification of the dosing system we'll discuss later. Let's look at conventional chlorine dioxide precursors, sodium chloride and hydrochloric acid. Here you can see the reaction is not instant. In fact, it will take an hour or more to reach its full yield, with a much lower conversion rate than Activ-Ox. A lower conversion also means higher byproducts. This slow reaction is the reason a more complicated dosing system is required to treat with conventional chlorine dioxide chemistry. For this reason, Activ-Ox is the more cost-effective solution in the long run, as the super high yield means you get what you pay for. Another important difference between Activ-Ox and competitor products is that it doesn't require strong acids. This diagram shows that competitor products A, B and C all require highly acidic conditions to release their chlorine dioxide, which means that they need dangerous strong acids. Activ-Ox, by contrast, starts to release chlorine dioxide the moment the pH is pushed below neutral and can be activated fully using a mild acid or even your favorite lemonade. The Activ-Ox system comes in three different models. The Activ-Ox 2100 eco-dosing system is designed for smaller applications, treating from a few litres up to 100 cubic metres per day. For larger applications, the Activ-Ox 3100 Pro and Activ-Ox 4100 Multi have been engineered to treat applications up to or even exceeding 5,000 cubic metres of water per day. Let's see one in action. The dosing system is designed with a robust construction and incorporates certain key safety features. Chemicals are drawn directly from the supply container to avoid the need to handle the chemicals directly. The two chemicals are supplied in different coloured drums with matched ridged suction assemblies to prevent chemical mix-up. For additional safety, the chemicals can be held in outer containment bunds. The chemical dosing pumps are housed in two separate enclosures to ensure that there is no possibility of the chemicals mixing in the unlikely event of a leak. The chemical injection tubing is double-walled for additional security. The only place the two chemicals mix is in the specially designed reactor T, which is installed directly in the water stream being treated. The chlorine dioxide is produced instantly within a reaction chamber and then injected into the water stream, where it is quickly diluted to the required chlorine dioxide level. The redesigned controller was developed in-house to provide enhanced features and scalability, including probe control and Modbus. The chemical dosage is typically controlled by a water meter in the water stream, which provides a pulse signal to the control panel. The controller is programmed to deliver the required chlorine dioxide level, and the dosage automatically adjusts depending on the water flow. There is no possibility of runaway dosage, and the system is fail-safe because it can only dose when water is flowing. As well as this, there are now 4 other main control modes, including periodic, where dosage is pre-programmed to a set specification, batch, where an external signal triggers a predefined dosage, remote start, which is controlled via an external signal, or timer mode, which is controlled by the internal clock. The chlorine dioxide can be measured at the point of use, using a simple test kit and the dosage rate adjusted accordingly. Additionally, the installation of probe control allows for constant monitoring and automatic adjustment of chemical dosage. Beacon and siren options are available to alert to problems including chemical low level and no flow alarms. There is also the option for remote telemetry. So how about the result? Here we see real data from an Activ-Ox installation at a prestigious British university. The chart shows a 3-year testing period for Legionella with over 1,500 samples taken before and during dosing, which highlights the immediate and sustained control achieved by using Activ-Ox. Longevity has also shown to be a benefit of the Activ-Ox system. This was shown during the 2020-2021 COVID lockdown in the UK, when data returned from a UCAS-accredited Legionella testing lab compared hotels conducting only outlet flushing against hotels with an Activ-Ox chlorine dioxide system installed. Low occupancy levels during lockdown meant greatly reduced water usage and stagnation. However, systems treated with Activ-Ox saw that the residual action of the chlorine dioxide present in the systems persisted for much longer periods. As such, in the dosed premises, levels of Legionella were consistently and significantly lower than the premises not treated with Activ-Ox. But Legionella isn't the only application Activ-Ox is suited to. Installed in hundreds of locations across the UK and around the world, Activ-Ox can be found in food and drink processing sites, CIP systems, chemical manufacturing plants, poultry farms, and many more due to its simplicity and versatility. For this reason, Activ-Ox is the simple, safe, and cost-effective way to produce chlorine dioxide instantly. For more information, contact us today.